2. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're at Karura forest trying to share just a video of us like walking the whole path. So this is 1.3 kilometers, and this is going to take a while. And if you're hoping like there's cool drone shots, I don't have a drone, so maybe when I'm like riding the bike, that will be okay. So I got 2 bikes, and currently, and we are a family of 5, so we took 2 bikes. So, and my siblings are very far away riding the bikes, then as we're walking, so we'll be switching. So when we reach to the places, I'll show you the place. I'll show you the what's it called, the the caves, after the caves, the waterfalls, and a few other things. Karura forest, and we are supposed to decide that we go to Pretty Valley and Butterfly Lake, or we go to caves, waterfalls, and things. So we decided to go to the caves and waterfalls, which will be around 1 kilometer away, which is for you Americans 1 mile away. And also, if I even had a drone, I couldn't use it because of one reason. Actually 2 reasons. First of all, I don't have a drone, and second of all, they don't allow drones. But if I get one in here, how they know? So maybe in another video, I might sneak one in. And I hope if we get caught, we don't have to pay a few $1,000 because we're currently broke. And this, when we're using our last few dollars on this instead of saving this. And you are literally just at the waterfall, but trying to get there is a bit muddy. Oh my gosh. And I think some people have failed. So the waterfall is down there. You can see. Last time I was here, the water was not brown. So maybe just blame it on the rainy season. So if you see this video, I'm alive. So now I'm just making this there. Hello. And when we reach there, if you're a finally very good. Very hard for me to lift up my leg. In my other shots, I had a cameraman, but since this road is way too narrow and muddy, oh my gosh, my cameraman is walking in front of me. Because 2 people cannot fit in this road, and doesn't like to be in videos, so he's just in front of me, just there. So currently, oh my gosh, So we're currently going to the caves, which currently it's a bit far, and I just started recording immediately after we left the waterfall. And also there's still part of the waterfall. Very nice, right? I'm trying to like do two things at the same time. Trying to focus on the road. Oh my god. Do I really need this? Why do they put staircases when there is literally mud? So we're just going to the cave. This is a cave. And people say that there's no bats. So why not? 1 second, let me just do something. So I'm not gonna go to the end of the cave because it's dark, and also Hershey is supposed to be here. So the next cave is upstairs or somewhere. Yeah, I think we passed it, but actually it's like the next one. So I'm just gonna put it like the same. So like these people at the where the history of the cave is. So I'm not gonna go there, and I'm gonna go there later. So that there's another cave. There is where they like some things, and there's also spiders. So like it's a tradition for people to like bite their nails. Yeah, it like most of them are faded, so you can't really do them. Teeny, which is literally think made up. So the other cave is on top over there, and we need to climb those stairs. So meet you on top.